EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Merchant here with your outlook for September 26, 2019. Cold front will be moving through the region today. That is going to be off to our west this morning, and there will be some showers with this. Very light, very brief. Not a real big deal, except maybe a little bit more concentrated in parts of north central PA before it moves eastward, and then eventually northeast PA. We'll see the best chance for showers today. Elsewhere, you're going to be a lot more spotty and stray if those chances. And it's going to come in a little bit earlier. Again, this is going to start, looks like late morning out in central Pennsylvania and then work its way eastward. So let's get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Starting us off at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. here on Thursday. And you can see some scattered shower activity. Again, most of this is going to be in the concentrated further north. The stuff further south is a little bit more scattered. As we move through time here, it kind of dissipates. And we move forward to noon. You'd see it's moving over toward the eastern side of the state. But as it's doing so, it's running out of steam. All right, that's been a recurring theme lately, and you guys are going to be looking at this radar saying, oh boy, we finally get to get some rain, and then, oh, it just falls apart. So that's kind of what the theme is going to be today. I know we need the rain. There's not a darn thing I can do about that. It was expected to be dry this month. Expected to be dry for the rest of this month. Expected to be dry going into looking at October as a whole, so will also be drier than average, it looks like, at least according to our projections. So not really too much I can do about it, just the pattern we're in. I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but it is what it is. So it does look like it's going to be maybe some decent light showers out here in over by the State College area over to Williamsport. And once it starts making its way eastward, again, parts of northeast PA near the New York-Pennsylvania border might get into a little bit more action with these showers as they move eastward, but then it's just kind of falling apart and dissipating as they move through. Now, you might have some more scattered showers move through later in the afternoon. This is now looking at 4 p.m., and it's already just about clear of Pennsylvania, and then it clears the coast by dinner time. So this is an earlier event. This is not something that's going to be taking place very late in the day, so we're not dealing with thunderstorms or anything like that. It just looks like a quick in and out with these whatever showers you do get, if you get it. And if you don't, and you're unfortunate not to get it, I guess better luck next time, because it's really not looking like we have that much opportunity going forward. And this front moves through, kind of falls apart, it moves eastward, a little more organized here, falls apart. That same theme is on the global models. And then when we go to Friday, we're going to be partly sunny, or excuse me, mostly sunny here on Friday, and a day very similar to what it was yesterday, almost a carbon copy. All right, so mostly sunny skies. Temperatures very similar. Humidity values are very similar as well. Once we get to Saturday, we're going to warm up a little bit, and that's because we have a cold front that's going to be situated off the north, and that is going to be right up here. Here's your cold front here at this point. This boundary is going to remain up here for a little bit, and there's no precipitation expected in our region here on Saturday. It should be a partly cloudy day. Once you get late in the day, there's an opportunity for far interior, maybe parts of central PA, western parts of central PA, and northern PA get into a brief, quick shower. So we're going to leave an isolated shower in the forecast, or 20% chance for a stray shower further eastward, but I think most areas are going to miss out on any rain here on Saturday as well. You might get lucky and get a stray shower, and if that comes, it's probably very late in the day or evening. So most of the day here on Saturday is dry, partly cloudy, very warm. Still warm here on Sunday, even though there's no precipitation expected. There's going to be a frontal boundary that's kind of in the vicinity. It's going to move back northward as a warm front on Monday. Monday we expect it to be dry as well, partly cloudy, not quite as warm here on Monday with high pressure off to our east. We're creating like an onshore flow here, so there could be a little bit more clouds than sun on Monday. We'll have to watch for that. But it does look like Tuesday and Wednesday of next week are going to be right back into the baking atmosphere, where we're going to have temperatures well into the 80s and well above normal for this time of year. Matter of fact, we might even get some models are indicating that by the time we get to Wednesday, which is right here, we might see still the southwesterly wind flow coming in here next week, and a very strong ridge that's in place in the entire Great Lakes region, northeast, southeastern United States. A very big ridge sitting here, and with that ridge in place, there could be some temperatures approaching 90 degrees in the middle of next week. Very possible. We'll have to watch how long that sticks around. I think once we get to Thursday might be the cap for that. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week look very warm, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. of next week. But it does look warmer than average this weekend as well. We have a break here on Friday, which is tomorrow, of course. And then we have a break on Monday where temperatures might stick in the upper 70s for a few locations. It won't get too warm, but then we're right back in the 80s on every other single day within our 7-day forecast period. Might be some relief as we get to the end of next week, with temperatures going back down to near average. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for September 26th, 2019. Have a great Thursday.